Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for the Piedmont of the Carolinas, including Charlotte and vicinity. Today, cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms late this morning, then showers and thunderstorms this afternoon. Some thunderstorms may be severe this afternoon. Windy and not as cool times in the mid-60s. Through this afternoon, the flash flood watch continues for all of northeast Georgia, western North Carolina, and upstate South Carolina. Through this afternoon, many areas received between 1 to 2 inches of rainfall since Monday evening. Periods of moderate rain showers, with clusters of thunderstorms, will continue through midday. Thunderstorm coverage will increase this afternoon, especially along and east of Interstate 77. An additional 1 to 2 inches is possible by late this afternoon. Enhanced rain rates associated with heavy rain showers is expected to result in flash flooding along small creeks and streams today. Strong to severe thunderstorms may produce torrential rainfall rates this afternoon. The widespread nature of the moderate rain will also cause elevated levels and flow on main stem rivers, especially along the French Broad River. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Here is a weather statement. Wind advisory remains in effect until midnight Eastern Standard Time tonight. Locations, the foothills and Piedmont of the Western Carolinas and northeast Georgia. Hazards, strong gusty winds. Timing, south winds will become gusty around mid-morning and gradually shift to southwest in the afternoon. Winds, south 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 40 miles per hour. Impacts, the combination of a saturated ground, periods of moderate to heavy rain, and strong winds made down numerous trees and power lines. Scattered power outages may develop by this afternoon. Travel will become hazardous on higher mountain roadways and in locations where winds are channeled between passes. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. These are the 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time observations for Friday. Waves and in location weather will shift to the central and eastern Carolinas by 80 miles an hour. Cloudy. The temperature was 65 degrees. The dew point. Monitor the weather situation today and prepare for later severe weather watches and warnings. Thursday, high winds possible. Gusty west winds may persist through Thursday evening. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotters are requested to forward any reports of large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, or flash flooding to our office. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for northeast Georgia, the foothills of North Carolina, and western upstate South Carolina. For today, thunderstorms will develop across the area east of the mountains this morning and will move to the east during the afternoon. Heavy downpours and cloud-to-ground lightning will be the main threats. Some of the stronger storms could produce damaging wind gusts. An isolated tornado cannot be ruled out if the atmosphere destabilizes early enough in the day. Thursday, high winds possible. Gusty west winds may persist through Thursday afternoon. Spotter information statement. Skywarn spotters are requested to forward any reports of large hail, damaging winds, tornadoes, or flash flooding to our...
Here we go. It was a severe thunderstorm. I was waiting for a required weekly test. Oh my god. This is unexpected.
The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina.
This is unexpected.
Southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina. Western Catawba County in the Piedmont
Oh
of
god,
North Carolina.
it's me.
Northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Alexander County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina. Until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:05 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 12 miles north of Shelby, or near Bellwood, and 25 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Hickory, Taylorsville, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Granite Falls, Bethlehem, Ecart, Hildebrand, and Connolly Springs. The storm is capable of blowing down scattered trees and power lines. Brief large hail may also occur. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Doppler radar has indicated some rotation within the storm.
Oh.
If this rotation strengthens, a tornado warning may be issued.
Oh, shit.
Severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes with little or no warning. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSDSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Alexander, Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, and Lincoln. The National Weather Service in Greenville, Spartanburg.